Finding the initial amount in compound interest questions in 125 seconds. Let's go. Quite often, guys, questions involving compound interest won't actually give us the start amount and ask us for the end amount. They're going to give us the end amount and ask us for the start amount. Luckily, it's not going to be too much extra work, and we're still going to use exactly the same formula. Let's have a look at this example. The question says that Jess puts some money in a bank account which pays 8% compound interest per year. It then says that after 6 years, she has £2,758 in the account. The question then asks us to calculate the amount she put into the account in the first place. So this time, guys, we've actually been given our end amount, which is A, and we're asked to work out our initial amount, P. So what we're going to do is we're going to substitute in all of the variables that we know, and then we're going to rearrange it to find the value of P. Let's get it done. So we know our end amount, that's going to be 2,758. So we can say that 2,758 is equal to P, our initial amount that we're trying to work out, times by 1 plus R, which is our interest rate as a decimal, 8% as a decimal, divided by 100. That's going to give us 0.08. And then we're going to raise that to the power of T, our number of time periods, which is 6. Now, guys, how are we going to make P the subject of this formula? Well, at the moment, P is being multiplied by 1 plus 0.08 to the power of 6. So to make P the subject, we're actually going to have to divide both sides of our equation by 1 plus 0.08 to the power of 6. So what we're going to get is we're actually going to get that P is equal to £2,758 divided by 1 plus 0.08 raised to the power of 6. And guys, if we bring that into our calculator, we would get that P, our initial amount, is equal to £1,738 and 1 pence if we round that to 2 decimal places. And to be fair, if we said 1,738 or £1,738 and 1 pence, they're not going to mind.